Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechWest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change from business to personal account on PayPal. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So first thing first, you have to log in your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your account, on the home page you have to tap on contact, which is in the bottom left corner of your screen. As you tap on it, on the other interface will be directed to help center, and once you're on this page you have to tap on message center in the top right corner. Next page you have to tap on new message, which is right on top, and as you tap on it you'll have a list of options, and from the list you have to tap on the option that is account profile and setup. Once again you'll have a multiple option, so from the list you have to tap on upgrading or downgrading your account, which is right between. So then you have to write an email to the customer service about your issue. All you have to do is just tap on send email. So then you have to wait patiently until PayPal looks into your matter. So that is how you can change from business to personal account on PayPal. That is all this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.